Welcome to the Driving Theory Test United Kingdom Pro. Question 1. What does this road marking mean? A. Don't cross the line. B. No stopping allowed. C. You're approaching a hazard. D. No overtaking allowed. The correct answer is C. Question 2. You're driving on an open road in dry weather. What should the distance be between you and the vehicle in front? A. A 2-second time gap. B. 1 car length. C. 2 meters. 6 feet 6 inches. D. 2 car lengths. The correct answer is A. Question 3. What should you do as you approach a long road tunnel? A. Put on your sunglasses and use the sun visor. B. Turn your headlights onto main beam. C. Change down to a lower gear. D. Make sure your radio is tuned to the frequency shown. The correct answer is D. Question 4. What's most likely to distract you while you're driving? A. Using a mobile phone. B. Using the windscreen wipers. C. Using the demisters. D. Checking the mirrors. The correct answer is A. Question 5. You're driving on a motorway and have to slow down quickly due to a hazard ahead. How can you warn drivers behind of the hazard? A. Switch on your hazard warning lights. B. Switch on your headlights. C. Sound your horn. D. Flash your headlights. The correct answer is A. Question 6. You're on a motorway in fog. The left-hand edge of the motorway can be identified by reflective studs. What color are they? A. Green. B. Amber. C. Red. D. White. The correct answer is C. Question 7. You're traveling on a motorway in England. You must stop when signaled to do so by which of these? A. Flashing amber lights above your lane. B. A traffic officer. C. Pedestrians on the hard shoulder. D. A driver who is broken down. The correct answer is B. Question 8. You're on a motorway. Red flashing lights appear above your lane only. What should you do? A. Continue in that lane and look for further information. B. Move into another lane in good time. C. Pull onto the hard shoulder. D. Stop and wait for an instruction to proceed. The correct answer is B. Question 9. You take some cough medicine given to you by a friend. What should you do before driving? A. Ask your friend if taking the medicine affected their driving. B. Drink some strong coffee 1 hour before driving. C. Check the label to see if the medicine will affect your driving. D. Drive a short distance to see if the medicine is affecting your driving. The correct answer is C. Question 10. What should you do when you meet an obstruction on your side of the road? A. Carry on, as you have priority. B. Give way to oncoming traffic. C. Wave oncoming vehicles through. D. Accelerate to get past first. The correct answer is B. Question 11. You see this signal overhead on the motorway. What does it mean? A. Leave the motorway at the next exit. B. All vehicles use the hard shoulder. C. Sharp bend to the left ahead. D. Stop. All lanes ahead closed. The correct answer is A. Question 12. When must you stop your vehicle? A. If you're involved in an incident that causes damage or injury. B. At a junction where there are give way lines. C. At the end of a one-way street. D. Before merging onto a motorway. The correct answer is A. Question 13. Why is it more difficult to overtake a large vehicle than a car? A. It will take longer to pass one. B. It will be fitted with a speed limiter. C. It will have air brakes. D. It will be slow climbing hills. The correct answer is A. Question 14. While you're driving, a warning light on your vehicle's instrument panel comes on. What should you do? A. Continue if the engine sounds all right. B. Hope that it's just a temporary electrical fault. C. Deal with the problem when there's more time. D. Check out the problem quickly and safely. The correct answer is D. Question 15. Why must you take extra care when turning right at this junction? A. The road surface is poor. B. The footpaths are narrow. C. The road markings are faint. D. The view is restricted. The correct answer is D. Question 16. What will reduce the risk of neck injury resulting from a collision? A. An air-sprung seat. B. Anti-lock brakes. C. A collapsible steering wheel. D. A properly adjusted head restraint. The correct answer is D. Question 17. What must you have when you apply to renew your vehicle tax? A. Valid insurance. B. The vehicle's chassis number. C. The handbook. D. A valid driving license. The correct answer is A. Question 18. The left-hand pavement is closed due to street repairs. What should you do? A. Watch out for pedestrians walking in the road. B. Use your right-hand mirror more often. C. Speed up to get past the roadworks more quickly. D. Position close to the left-hand curb. The correct answer is A. Question 19. What should you do when dealing with this hazard? A. Switch on your hazard warning lights. B. Use a low gear and drive slowly. C. Use a high gear to prevent wheel spin. D. Switch on your windscreen wipers. The correct answer is B. Question 20. What does this sign mean? A. With flow bus and cycle lane. B. Contraflow bus and cycle lane. C. No buses and cycles allowed. D. No waiting for buses and cycles. The correct answer is A. Question 21. You're using a contraflow system. What should you do? A. Choose an appropriate lane in good time. B. Switch lanes at any time to make progress. C. Increase speed to pass through quickly. D. Follow other motorists closely to avoid long queues. The correct answer is A. Question 22. Why should you be cautious when going past this stationary bus? A. There is traffic approaching in the distance. B. The driver may open the door. C. People may cross the road in front of it. D. The road surface will be slippery. The correct answer is C. Question 23. You're invited to a pub lunch. You know that you'll have to drive in the evening. What's your best course of action? A. Avoid mixing your alcoholic drinks. B. Don't drink any alcohol at all. C. Have some milk before drinking alcohol. D. Eat a hot meal with your alcoholic drinks. The correct answer is B. Question 24. What may happen if you hang objects from your interior mirror? A. Your view could be obstructed. B. Your sun visor might get tangled. C. Your radio reception might be affected. D. Your windscreen would mist up. The correct answer is A. Question 25. How will a heavy load on your roof rack affect your vehicle's handling? A. It will improve the road holding. B. It will reduce the stopping distance. C. It will make the steering lighter. D. It will reduce stability. The correct answer is D. Question 26. It's important to wear suitable shoes when you're driving. Why is this? A. To prevent wear on the pedals. B. To maintain control of the pedals. C. To enable you to adjust your seat. D. To enable you to walk for assistance if you break down. The correct answer is B. Question 27. Before starting a journey, it's wise to plan your route. How can you do this? A. Look at a map. B. Contact your local garage. C. Look in your vehicle handbook. D. Check your vehicle registration document. The correct answer is A. Question 28. A casualty isn't breathing normally and needs CPR. At what rate should you press down and release on the center of their chest? A. 10 times per minute. B. 120 times per minute. C. 60 times per minute. D. 240 times per minute. The correct answer is B. Question 29. You're using a smart motorway. What happens when it's operating? A. Speed limits above lanes or advisory. B. The national speed limit will apply. C. The speed limit is always 30 miles per hour. D. You must obey the speed limits shown. The correct answer is D. Question 30. You avoid busy times when traveling. How will this affect your journey? A. You're more likely to be held up. B. Your journey time will be longer. C. You'll travel a much shorter distance. D. You're less likely to be delayed. The correct answer is D. Question 31. A driver pulls out of a side road in front of you, causing you to brake hard. What should you do? A. Ignore the error and stay calm. B. Flash your lights to show your annoyance. C. Sound your horn to show your annoyance. D. Overtake as soon as possible. The correct answer is A. Question 32. What does 25 mean on this motorway sign? A. The distance to the nearest town. B. The route number of the road. C. The number of the next junction. D. The speed limit on the slip road. The correct answer is C. Question 33. What does the white line along the side of the road indicate? A. The edge of the carriageway. B. The approach to a hazard. C. No parking. D. No overtaking. The correct answer is A. Question 34. What should you do when you're following a learner driver who stalls at a junction? A. Be patient, as you expect them to make mistakes. B. Stay very close behind and flash your headlights. C. Start to rev your engine if they take too long to restart. D. Immediately steer around them and drive on. The correct answer is A. Question 35. What should you do when you're joining a motorway? A. Use the hard shoulder. B. Stop at the end of the acceleration lane. C. Slow to a stop before joining the motorway. D. Give way to traffic already on the motorway. The correct answer is D. Question 36. Some junctions controlled by traffic lights have a marked area between two stop lines. What's this for? A. To allow taxis to position in front of other traffic. B. To allow people with disabilities to cross the road. C. To allow cyclists and pedestrians to cross the road together. D. To allow cyclists to position in front of other traffic. The correct answer is D. Question 37. When must you notify the licensing authority? A. When your health affects your driving. B. When you have to work abroad. C. When you lend your vehicle to someone. D. When your vehicle needs an MOT certificate. The correct answer is A. Question 38. You're driving on an icy road. What distance from the car in front should you drive? A. 4 times the normal distance. B. 6 times the normal distance. C. 8 times the normal distance. D. 10 times the normal distance. The correct answer is D. Question 39. You're approaching a busy junction. What should you do when, at the last moment, you realize you're in the wrong lane? A. Continue in that lane. B. Force your way across. C. Stop until the area has cleared. D. Use clear arm signals to cut across. The correct answer is A. Question 40. When are anti-lock brakes of most use to you? A. When you're braking gently. B. When you're braking on rural roads. C. When you're braking harshly. D. When you're braking on a motorway. The correct answer is C. Question 41. On a road where trams operate, which of these vehicles will be most at risk from the tram rails? A. Cars. B. Cycles. C. Buses. D. Lorries. The correct answer is B. Question 42. What do traffic calming measures do? A. Stop road rage. B. Make overtaking easier. C. Slow traffic down. D. Make parking easier. The correct answer is C. Question 43. You're driving along a wet road. How can you tell if your vehicle's tires are losing their grip on the surface? A. The engine will stall. B. The steering will feel very heavy. C. The engine noise will increase. D. The steering will feel very light. The correct answer is D. Question 44. When mustn't you stop on a clear way? A. At any time. B. When it's busy. C. In the rush hour. D. During daylight hours. The correct answer is A. Question 45. An adult casualty isn't breathing. To maintain circulation, CPR should be given. What's the correct depth to press down on their chest? A. 1 to 2 centimeters. B. 5 to 6 centimeters. C. 10 to 15 centimeters. D. 15 to 20 centimeters. The correct answer is B. Question 46. Which vehicle will use a blue flashing beacon? A. Motorway maintenance. B. Bomb disposal. C. Snowplow. D. Breakdown recovery. The correct answer is B. Question 47. What should you do as you approach this lorry? A. Slow down and be prepared to wait. B. Make the lorry wait for you. C. Flash your lights at the lorry. D. Move to the right-hand side of the road. The correct answer is A. Question 48. You're driving on a clear night. There's a steady stream of oncoming traffic. The national speed limit applies. Which lights should you use? A. Full beam headlights. B. Side lights. C. Dipped headlights. D. Fog lights. The correct answer is C. Question 49. What's the purpose of these road markings? A. To ensure children can see and be seen when crossing the road. B. To enable teachers to have clear access to the school. C. To ensure delivery vehicles have easy access to the school. D. To enable parents to pick up or drop off children safely. The correct answer is A. Question 50. You're on a smart motorway. A mandatory speed limit is displayed above the hard shoulder. What does this mean? A. You shouldn't travel in this lane. B. The hard shoulder can be used as a running lane. C. You can park on the hard shoulder if you feel tired. D. You can pull up in this lane to answer a mobile phone. The correct answer is B.